Now everything is looks good, but this form is quite dead. So let's add some CSS life here. Now I'm going to add CSS styles so that you can also learn how you can add CSS styles inside your PHP code. It's the same, don't have to worry at all. Moving back to editor. So right after our head section, I'm going to add here style for our CSS. Let's make it type to be text slash CSS. Now first of all, I'm going to increase the width of these fields. So I need to focus on these input fields. So input fields of type text and input field of type email, and our text area for our comment section. I'm going to apply styles on them. Let's give it some border, 1px solid dashed, and background color to be RGB, and width for increasing their width to be 600 pixel, and padding from each other 0.5 em, and font size to be 1.0 em. Saving this one out, refreshing the page. Now we got these very attractive fields. Now submit information. Now we are getting this error in black form. Now I'm going to add one class of error in which I'm gonna make its color to be red so that it could be more attractive. So let's add one class of error here and give it color to be red. Now I'm going to span this class of error on every single our error message, error message for our email, error message for our gender error, error message for our website, and closing for our email first of all, then for our gender, then for our website. Saving this one out, refreshing the page, submit information, name is required, email is required, looks pretty good. If I add wrong information, submit. Let's add our error message on this one here too. Please complete and correct your form again. And we have this error message here. So for applying, I need to add span class here, class of error. Saving this one out, refreshing the page. Now we are getting the error. Why? Because I told you you should be careful while adding double quotation inside your echo double quotation. That's why we are having this error. Our PHP server is got confused by these quotation, so it's thinking it's starting from here and ending it right here. So we need to make it single quote. Saving this one out, refreshing the page. Now no error at all. Submit, error, false information, email to be Jazib Akram, mail, website to be Facebook, submit. Now this one is also red. So if I add name to be here correct one, Jazib Akram, email to be correct one, mail, website to be Facebook, comment to be not now, submit. we are getting our information. So if I add name like Dr. Jazib, email correct one, mail submit, we are getting the error. Why? Because we have to add dot sign for validating it for dot symbol as well. But we added dot here, so we need to backslash this dot in my regular expression of name, and in here backslash dot here too. Saving this one out, refreshing the page. Dr. Jazib, email, mail, website, submit. We are getting our Dr. Jazib, and doctor is valid now. So you can do any type of testing. You can change your regular expression as you like, and you can modify your code to see how it works. And now everything is good to go. Just think of this information as we have submitted our form and our validation is complete, and we can send this data. Instead of echoing here, we can simply send this data to the user on his email address, or we can send this data in our database for saving it as a record, or we can send this data to the email of our admin of our website. So by this lecture series of form validation project, you got the full command and grip on your forms. Now you can do anything you want, but we haven't made it to database yet. So we are going to see the other aspect of this project in our database chapter as well. So you can apply more style on this form, but I'm going to leave it for now as it is. This is the course of PHP, not CSS. And if you want to see more styles, how you can add more modern style on your form, you can check my course of animation, transforms and 3D design course, in which you can learn this type of styles in your form field and make your form much more attractive. So if you want to add animations like this, you can check this course out. Our work is done. Our chapter of post is also done. Now see you in the next chapter. Have a great day.